As a lady, there's nothing sweeter than knowing how to do some basic things yourself. One of the basic things you need to know how to do is to tie your own head wrap yourself. If you cannot do your own makeup, learn how to tie your own head wrap yourself. And just because tomorrow is another Sunday, I decided to bring this round Ankara GELE head wrap. If you cannot pick the pleats one after the other, just do it the way I did it. It is very simple. Just layer it over each other, then use your hand to arrange it. Can you guys see? Make sure you share this video so that you can try it. Save the video, follow this page for more tutorials like this. Let me see your thank you in the comments. Bye.